Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and as promised, today we're gonna walk you through the complete guide on how to create a killer lead magnet. Okay guys, so first of all, what is a lead magnet? Very simple. It's a free item or service that your business can give away to gather contact detail from your lead, hence the name lead magnet. An effective lead magnet have to have high perceived values, or else why would your leads give up their contact detail for it? Number 2, instant gratification. They have to be able to access it right away to make the urge of signing up, of giving up their contact detail for your magnets strong. Number 3, they should demonstrate your unique selling proposition. Now let's move on to who needs it and why. Very simple. Again, if you want to generate leads online, then your business needs a lead magnet. As simple as that. And any business, big or small, need a lead magnet. A lead magnet is your answer. Okay guys, so now let's talk about the type of lead magnet that you can create for your business. Lead magnets can be many things, from trial subscription to sample of your product to e-newsletter or free consultation call. Be creative with it. And here are some of the few most effective and popular lead magnets on the market right now. So number 1, we have checklist. Number 2, cheat sheet. So for instance, you are in the digital marketing niche. So an SEO checklist or a social media cheat sheet can be very in demand. Number 3, we have script or planners. Number 4, guide ebook. Number 5, recipe. If you're maybe in the cooking niche or any niche that need recipe. Number 7, if you need to be more creative and entertaining, quizzes, always amazing choice. Number 8, tutorials, training video or audios, always needed. Number 9, webinars is very in season right now. Number 10, free courses. Everybody loves free courses. Number 11, giveaway or online social media challenge, very popular, very trending. Number 12, sample or free trials of your product and service. Number 13, membership or group access. So maybe if your business have an exclusive group for support or to help people form meaningful connection, you can use that group access to be your lead magnets. And lastly, we have coupons. Everyone loves coupons and they would willing to give their information for a good deal, a good coupon, as long as the coupon is relatable to their interests. Alright, now let's get down to business. How to create the perfect lead magnet for you. Step 1, research. Always start with a good research. And where can you find the perfect information to craft your lead magnets? Number 1, from your existing customer base. Have you been collecting any feedback that is valuable or noticing any new trends in your market? That will be the perfect place to start. Number 2, from insight tools such as Google Analytics or Facebook Insight. Number 3, from social media comments. It can be from your page comment, any demands from customer, or it can be from another relevant page comment. So do your research. Number 4, from your competitors. Of course, your competitor is always a good source. Go to your competitor page, website, social media account, trying to look to their comments, to their service offering, anything that you can outdo them. Number 5, from where your target audience would hang out. So is it Facebook group or any other social media group? Is it Reddit? Is it YouTube? So you have to figure out where your target audience would be hanging out, where they would want to voice their opinions, voice their demands. Go there, do your research, and list them down. Now step 2, identify your value propositions. List out pain points that most of your audience have in common that you and your product or service could solve quickly with this lead magnet. Step 3, decide and draft what type of lead magnets you will offer. Ask yourself, what can you provide for free to solve the identified pain point? And what is the best format to deliver it? And last step, step 4, create your lead magnets. All set? Let's create it now. For example, I teach yoga online and want to find more leads to sign up for my online yoga classes. When going through Facebook groups and comments on pages, I discovered that yoga for back pain is in demand. Next, I identified their pain point. Well, obviously, it's their back. But another one is that they don't have an effective plan to stick to, which is why I decided to create a 7-day planner that links to my existing yoga lesson videos on YouTube with some helpful advice for their diet or habits that can fix their pain point, meaning their back. That's the beauty of Elite Magnets, guys. When creating Elite Magnets, you will also create quality content for your business or boost attention to your current content. Okay guys, so for the last part, of course, we're going to talk about ways to promote your Elite Magnets. Now, number one, on your website. If you have a business website, you must display your lead magnet there. So anytime anyone who's visit your website will sign up for it immediately. And you can even write a blog about it so that the blog and your lead magnet will rank organically on search engine with SEO. Number two, did you already find your audience hangout spot? Promote it there, even if it's a Facebook group or any other forums. Just go there, join a conversation, and casually drop the link to your lead magnet. Number three, post and promote your lead magnet on social media profile. And I mean all channels. Do you have Facebook? Do you have Instagram? Do you have Twitter? Do on all channels. Put a link there, a link in your bio, post about it. And I don't mean just do it once. Do it big. Do it consistently, do it regularly. Even change your account cover image if that's what you're up for. And lastly, of course, pay ads. Pay ads is a great way to get your lead magnets out there to the right group of audience, and ensures that many people will sign up for it. And when they are in your list, yes, now you have their contact to be able to promote them, your products, and nurture them through your sales funnels. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're up for more bootcamps and courses from industry experts, we also have that link ready for you. For any of you looking to build a website, there's a free access to our website builder. And of course, don't forget to join our Facebook group for more updates, and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future free training from us. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout.